Hello and welcome to our channel Webways. In this video, we're going to be doing a review and tutorial of a platform known as Formaloo. Now, Formaloo is a tool that helps businesses to build different types of databases without having any knowledge of coding. Please watch this video to the end to properly understand it. Okay, now to get to Formaloo, simply go to your browser and type in formaloo.com. That is www.formaloo.com, and it should bring you to a screen just like this. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says build custom CRMs, online directories, forms without any code. All right, so let's take a quick tour of the Formaloo platform. Now, if you tap on product, you'll see that it is a form builder, an app builder, a membership portal, customer data platform. Now, these are the things that you can build with Formaloo. Now, let's tap on use cases. Now, you can use Formaloo to create custom CRMs, quiz makers, survey maker, poll maker, logic and calculations, chatbot builder. Now, in the resources section, you're going to find different materials and guides that will help you navigate the Formaloo platform better. Now, in the template section, you're going to see a ton of templates for different types of databases. Shortly, we'll be seeing what those templates look like. Now, in the pricing section, you're going to see the different plans that Formaloo has. All right, so let's scroll down and we'll be able to see the different plans that Formaloo has. Now, Formaloo has 4 plans. There's the free plan, there's the plus plan, the pro plan, and the enterprise plan. Okay, so now you can see that the free plan is great for individuals, the plus plan great for startups, the pro plan is great for teams, and the enterprise plan is a dedicated solution, which means the features in the enterprise plan are customized based on the business needs. You can find this website's link and discount deals in the description below. Now let's sign up and see what the Formaloo platform offers. Simply tap on sign up. And you'll be required to either register with your email or simply log in with your Google account. Now I'm going to log in with my Google account. Just simply type on login with Google and you will be able to sign in using your Google account. After signing in using your Google account, it should bring you to a screen like this. You'll be prompted to create your workspace. So you're going to put in a workspace name and then create a subdomain. Okay, so you can edit this. It automatically uses your email address to create a subdomain for you, or you can just edit it. Just simply take that out and then put in what you want. Okay, and then tap on continue. So you can select the team you are on or skip. Okay, then who do you want to collaborate with? If you have people that you're going to be collaborating with, then you can put in the co-worker's name and then their email. If you don't, just tap on skip. And then welcome to Formaloo, go to your workspace, right? So you just tap on go to your workspace. Now, if you look at your screen, you will see that you have different templates. You have a contact us form, you have a lead generation form, you have order form, online appointment form. There are several templates here. There's even a blank one where you can create your form or your database from scratch. If you look at your left-hand side, you will see my Formaloos shared with you and templates, all right? And you will see that your account type is free. Okay, so if you tap on all templates here, you're going to be introduced to a world of templates for different types of businesses. All right, so you can see that there are templates for education, events, groups and hobbies, health and wellness, just a lot of business types that are here that you can select from. Okay, so we are going to quickly try to create a database from scratch using any of these templates. So let's go back to our dashboard. All right, so we're going to pick a contact us form and just create a simple contact us form. As you can see, it's initializing the template. Once you tap on it, it opens up. All right, so now this is the form that you're going to customize. Okay, if you look at the menu up here, you see edit, you see settings, you see design, notification, logic and calculator, and all of that. If you look at your left hand side, you will see different widgets that you can use to customize this form. Okay, amazing, right? Okay, so let's begin. Very quickly, we're going to customize this form. Now, the title, we can change the title to say contacts, maybe your business name. So you decide what you want to name that. Okay, and then you can put a description, um just anything can go in here, the description of the form and what the form is about. Okay, so you can just quickly put that in, and then you can choose to, you know, customize the rest of the form. So there's full name, there's your email, contact number, company. You can edit all of this just by simply tapping on it. Once you tap on it, watch that at the left hand side, a menu to edit that field comes up. And so you can edit and change the title of this column from full name to something else, and you can customize on this side. Okay, the same thing goes for um, every other form or every other column on this form, right? Okay. Now, if you want to add a field, just simply go to add field, and then you can drag and drop or just simply tap on any of these widgets and it's going to automatically pop up on your form. So let's say we want to add a column for phone number. We just simply tap on phone, and if we look, and we'll be able to edit the field first and foremost. So you can put in, let's say, phone number, active phone number, and then fill in everything else, right? So if you scroll down, you will see where that column popped up. So this is it, active phone number. Okay, so if we tap on it, you see that it is here, active phone number. Okay, now if you continue, you will see where it says success message after submit. So that's what message will the people who fill this form get after they submit this form. So you just type in something here, all right, and that's what they will receive after they have filled this form. Now, if there's a column you're not okay with, you want to take it out, just hover at the right here. Okay, you can see where there's a close icon there. So I'll just tap on that and it will take away that column. Are you sure? Just simply say yes, and that column goes off. If you need to rearrange or change the way the form is arranged, just hover over the column you want to change, long press on it, and then move it and slide it to where you want to position it. So move it and then drop, and you see it changes. Move it and then drop. Okay, or bring down one and then just move it to wherever you want to place it and then drop it. And that is it. You have simply created a contact us form without having to have any knowledge of coding. Really very simple. All right, so that's it. We're done. So you can customize everything else on this page. Once you're done with that, you can preview your form by tapping on the eyeball icon here. Just tap on that and you'll see what your form looks like. All right, so this is what our form looks like. Note again that you can customize and edit everything on this form. So this is a form, okay? So let's go back. After you're done, simply tap on save and you have saved your form. Okay, now you can copy this link, all right, and share with the people who you want to fill this form. Or you can use in website. You can view the form here, like we have done earlier, just a preview of the form. You can use in website, okay? So this is, when you tap view in website, this is what it's going to get for you. So you can share this URL with others to view the form directly. Simply copy this, okay? And then if you want to embed in a web page, you're going to tap to get the embedded link. Okay, you can also get the iframe, the script, the widgets, the chatbots. So our concern is the embedded link. So we can just tap on this and we will get the embedded link. Okay, it says embed in a web page. So you can tap here to get the code. Just tap on get code. And now this is the code with which you can embed this form on your website. So you can use this form to create any kind of database at all, online forms, order forms, contact us forms, lead generation forms, anything you can think of. Formaloo is the tool for you. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard. So that is simply how to create any database of your choice using Formaloo. It's as simple as copy and paste. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section as well, and somebody will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this tutorial. See you in the next.